Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about creating a master slide um, and the benefits of doing that. So I opened up this doc, and just so you know, in order to make it look like this in this shape, I went to page setup and I enter in custom the size. I put 8.5 by 11, okay? And that's how I got this. Um, so in slides, you have what's called a option of creating master slides. And what that means is usually when you right click to change the layout, you have these options here. So like I can pick that one, or if I want to use this layout and so on. And what we're going to do is we're going to pick an option of our own. So this, creates something that we want it to be the layout. And what's great about that is if you create a master layout that includes an image, that image, you won't be able to move it. So if you want to have a specific background or add a picture of a worksheet that you have as a PDF for students to insert the answers, would be a great way to do it. Okay, I'll actually just do that. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Slide, Edit Master. So now this master one, you don't want to edit there. You want to edit on these slides that say layout. See, those are the ones that we were looking at, the different options. I'm just going to actually open up just like a new one and work on this one. Okay, so let's say that I want to add a picture of a PDF that I have already made, which is this one. It's what I'm going to use. And just to give you an idea how I got this, I used the snipping tool. So I had this picture here. I searched snipping tool. Again, you can search that in your computer. Or you could take a screenshot of what you need. And then I'm going to go to new. And this is what you can do. And select the area that you want. And that's what I did there. Okay, so I'm going to add my picture here. Okay, so this is what I have. Now, I'm going to exit here. And now, when I go back to apply layout, you're going to see that as an option in your picture. What's great about it, again, a student cannot move this at all. So now it's set as a background. So what I'm going to start doing with my students is I'm going to give this to them and then give them add a box in the spaces. Now something helpful, you want to maybe add a color to that box, like a background. If you want a border, actually I would leave a border, a black border, so you can separate them. And I'm going to just already add a font for them to use, and maybe even just a color that kind of like pops up. So if they have to write like A, you can just type it there. And then I'm going to duplicate this, and I would add it to all the ones here. Just do that. And this is the way I would set this up. Again, this is just kind of to have it all set for them so they don't have to make any changes. Okay, so this is one way that you can do this, and again, that way the students cannot move this.